Welcome back. Before we can start building interactive apps, we need to set up our environment. This lecture covers the essential steps: installing the Streamlit library and learning the specific command required to run a Streamlit application. 1. Installation using pip3. Since Streamlit is a pure Python library, installation is straightforward using the pip3 package manager. Simply open your terminal or command prompt and run pip3 install Streamlit. This command fetches and installs the library and all its dependencies. 2. Creating the app file. All Streamlit applications are simply Python files. Create a new file. Let's call it first_app.py. Inside, we import the library, typically aliased as st. Then we call a simple function like st.title to display text, which will serve as the initial content of our application. Three. Running the Streamlit app. To launch the application, you must use the Streamlit run command followed by the name of your Python script. Execute this command in the same directory where your script is saved. Streamlit will automatically open a new tab in your web browser, usually at a local address like localhost port 8501, displaying your running application. 4. The Streamlit Local URL. When the app launches, the terminal will display two URLs: the local URL for access on your machine, and the network URL for others on the same network. Your app will be running at one of these addresses, ready for interaction. To summarize, the setup is quick and simple. Our next lecture 41.03. Hello Streamlit. See you there.